Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I, Muhammad Ashraful Islam, welcome you all in today's mathematics class. Dear students, in the previous class we have solved creative question 20 from exercise 9.3. Today we will solve another creative question from this exercise. Let's start today's class. Class 7, subject math, chapter 9, exercise 9.3. Online classwork 56, creative question 21. Dear students, at first read the question carefully. Two parallel straight lines AB and CD. In book, instead of CD we get CE. So there is a correction, it will be CD. So two parallel straight lines AB and CD and the line PQ intersects AB and CD at E and F respectively. So this is the stem. From the stem, you have to answer A. Draw a figure based on information. We have to draw a figure from the given stem. So this is the A number question. Now B. Show that angle AEP equals to angle CFE. So the figure that we will get in A number question, from the figure we will show these two angles will be equal. And in C number question, we have proved that angle AEF plus angle CFE equals to two right angles. This C number question also we have to prove from the figure. These two angles sum will be two right angles. So these are the question. All of you have got the question? And what do you think? It is tough? No. It's a very easy creative question. You have solved these types of creative question in chapter 8, parallel straight lines. So let's start A number question. A. Solution. We have to draw two parallel straight lines AB and CD. So I have drawn a straight line. Name of the straight line is AB. So what's the figure we have got? We have got a straight line named AB. We have to draw another straight line. Named CD. This is another straight line named CD. So we have got two straight lines. One is AB, this one is AB, and this one is CD. So we have got two straight lines. Now, these two lines is parallel. We have to get two parallel straight lines. So these two lines will be parallel because of the perpendicular distance. If you draw in between two straight lines, this distance will be equal. So we have got AB and CD are two parallel straight lines. Now we have to draw the line PQ intersects AB and CD. Another line we will draw. The line will intersect AB and CD. So take another line. This is a figure, another line. Name of the line is PQ. So PQ, another line whose intersects AB at this point. Name of this point will be AB for E. So name of this point is E. And CD at F. So name of this point is F respectively. So this is the figure from the above stem. I repeat this one, two parallel straight lines AB and CD. So AB and CD are two parallel straight lines and the line PQ, another line PQ intersects AB at E and CD at F. So this is the figure from the given step. I think all of you have understood A number question. Now we will start B number question. B number question, show that angle AEP equals to angle CFE. So in A we have got this figure. So in figure A we get angle AEP, 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 this angle. Name of this angle is angle AEP, and CFE, CFE, this angle. So these two angles are equal, we have to show from the figure A. Got it? So let's start solution B. B solution. We'll write particular enunciation. Particular enunciation from the figure A. In B number question, it's not mandatory to write the figure, this figure again. That means for showing this one, we need the same figure. So as this figure we have got in A and it's the same figure, so no need to draw the figure again. Okay. So that's why if anyone wants to draw, you can. And there is another thing. If the figure is same side, another side, in third page, I want to show you this one in your copy. So for this two page, this page and this page, no need to draw the figure again. And if you want to say cover this one, suppose this figure is opposite side, and in that case you can draw this one here. I've got this one. So particular enunciation, we'll write from the stem and figure. We'll get in figure AB parallel CD and the line PQ and the line PQ intersects AB and CD at AB and CD at E and F respectively. It is required to prove that to show that. In the question we have to show, so we write show. It is equal to show that angle AEP equals to angle CFE. So you have to show this part. So the particular enunciation we have written from the stem and figure. In figure AB parallel CD, AB and CD parallel, and the line PQ intersects AB and CD at E and F respectively. And in B number we have to show, it is equal to show that angle AEP equals to angle CFE. So you have got CFE. So this is the thing we have to show. Now we write proof. Step 1. AB and CD parallel. AB and CD. AB, this is the side is parallel to. This is the symbol, it means is parallel to. So we can tell AB is parallel to CD. And PQ intersect AB and CD. So PQ is the transversal. PQ is their transversal. PQ is the transversal. So therefore angle CFE equals to angle BEF. These two angles are equal because of they are alternate angles. So we know alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal because of they are alternate angles. So this is the transversal. In opposite side of transversal we get alternate angles. So this one and this one will be equal because of they are alternate angles. Angle CFE equals to angle BEF. These two angles will be equal because of they are alternate angles. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. So we have got this part. Now in 2 number point we will get AB and PQ. AB and PQ. AB and PQ. AB and PQ intersect at this point. AB and PQ intersect at E, at the point E. Therefore we can write this angle and this angle. This angle and this angle will be vertical opposite angles. We know that the vertical opposite angles also equal. So we can write angle AEP. So name of this angle is AEP equals to angle BEF. BEF. These two angles will be equal because of they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are equal. So these two angles also equal. So look at here, CFE equals to BF and AEP equals to BF. So from here we can write CFE equals to AEP or angle AEP equals to angle CFE. You can put the value of BEF also. So instead of BEF we can write CFE. So we will write therefore angle AEP equals to if we put the value of angle BEF, it will be angle CFE. So this is the required thing we have to show. Angle AEP equals to angle CFE. So angle AEP equals to angle CFE shown. So the B number part has completed. Look at here. I want to repeat it again. In B number question you have to show angle AEP equals to angle CFE. Angle AEP equals to angle CFE. These two angles will be equal. So we have written particular enunciation from the stem and figure. In figure AB and CD parallel and the line PQ intersects AB and CD at E and F respectively. So this one is given in the stem. It is equal to show that angle AEP equals to angle CFE. Then we have to prove this part we have got from the proposing particular enunciation part. AB parallel CD and PQ is the transversal. So we have got CFE equals to BF. CFE equals to angle BEF. Again, AB and PQ intersect at E. AB and PQ intersect at E. So we have got angle AEP equals to angle BEF. AEP equals to angle BEF. These angles are equal. From here we can tell that angle AEP equals to angle CFE. So this is the required solution we have to show, and we have got this one. I think all of you have understood this part. Now we will solve C number question. Now read the question C. C. Prove that angle AEF plus angle CFE equals to two right angles. We have to prove this part, and the angle in figure, angle AEF will be here. AEF and CFE, angle CFE, this angle. These two angles sum will be two right angles. We have to prove this part. Okay, and let's start the solution. C. Solution and particular enunciation. Particular enunciation we write from the figure and stem. In figure, AB parallel CD. AB is parallel CD. and the line PQ intersects AB and CD at P and F respectively. E and F respectively. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that angle AEF plus angle CFE equals to two right angles. So this is the particular enunciation. We have to prove AEF plus CFE equals to two right angles. AEF plus angle CFE, these two angles sum will be two right angles. We have to prove this one. Now write the proof. Proof step 1. This one is also similar to B. AB parallel CD and PQ is their transversal. PQ is their transversal. PQ is their transversal. So we can get from here CFE angle, therefore angle CFE equals to angle BEF. This angle and this angle will be equal. So we will get angle CFE equals to angle BEF. Because these two angles will be equal because of their alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Angle CFE and angle BEF, these two angles will be equal because of they are alternate angles, and we have learned alternate angles are equal. So we have got this point. Now to another point too. We can write angle AEF, this one and this one. Angle AEF plus angle BEF. The sum of two angles will be, we can tell one straight angle or we can write two right angles. Two right angles. Angle AEF plus angle BEF, this is the sum of the angles, angle AEB. Angle AEB is one straight angle. One straight angle. Angle AEB, one straight angle. Angle AEB is the sum of angle AEF plus angle BEF. And one straight angle, that means two right angles. So we can write angle AEF plus angle BEF equals to two right angles. Now, or angle AEF plus BEF and CFE are equal. So instead of angle BEF, we can write angle CFE. Angle CFE equals to two right angles. Therefore, angle CFE equals to angle BEF. CEFE equals to angle BEF. These two angles equal. So instead of BEF, we have put the value of angle BF and it is angle CFE. And angle AEF plus angle CFE equals to two right angles. And we have to prove this part. Angle AEF plus CFE, two right angles. So this is the proof, and we have got this one. We'll write proof. I want to repeat this one again. We have to prove angle AEF plus angle CFE equals to 2 right angles. AEF plus angle CFE. This angle and this angle, these two angles sum will be 2 right angles. We have to prove. We will write the particular enunciation part in figure. AB is parallel to CD and the line PQ intersects AB and CD at E and F respectively. It is equal to prove that angle AEF plus angle CFE equals to 2 right angles. Now we will write the proof. Step 1. AB is parallel to CD and PQ is their transversal. So from here we can tell that angle CFE and angle BEF are equal because of their alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. And in second point, angle AEF plus angle BEF, these two angles sum will be one straight angle. So this one is one straight angle. One straight angle equals to 2 right angles. So we can tell angle AEF plus angle BEF equals to 2 right angles. Or angle AEF will remain same plus angle BEF. Instead of angle BEF you can write angle CFE. So we have written angle CFE equals to 2 right angles. And in this way the proof has completed. I think all of you have understood this part. Now we will take the homework. Now write the diary. Online homework number 56, exercise 9.3, question number 21. Submit the homework on due time. I think all of you have understood today's class. Thanks for your passion sharing. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.